brand blazer. Come over here. This is our glass blazer. Jesus, I love this blazer. Jesus Christ, this is not my size. If you love unboxing videos, come over here because me, I love unboxing videos. All right, let's jump into the video. It's unboxing time, another fashion haul. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your babe Asanwa baby. Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be doing unboxing video from Zara. Yes guys, ta-la-la. This is all I got. Like, you know, when it comes to Zara shopping, like say if you see something and you're waiting to buy everything at once, before you know it, some of the things you put in your cart will go out of stock, or your size will be out of stock. So that is why, like, for me, like, not to miss any of the things that I want, I try to check out bit by bit, so for me not to lose any of the things that I want. Even though after everything, some of the things that I want, some of them went out of stock, but these are the things like I was able to like get hold of my hand. And with this shopping I did, let's say this is a Zara find, so some of these items is going to be like all year round. It's not only for summer or for spring or for autumn, so it's all year round. Some of them is going to be a staple in my closet, and some of the pieces I picked as well are some of the things that I repurchased, like I reorder from my previous order, because some of the items I bought last time wasn't my size, so I decided to reorder the ones that I really love. So this video is going to be unboxing video, then I'm going to do a try on haul video. Yeah, so I'll start with the small items. So I'm going to start. So this is, yeah, is a trouser, and this is how the length of it is, and I got a matching top for it. Yeah, a matching blazer for it. So yeah, so it's a collect. So a satin burgundy skirt, yeah, and I picked this one in size small, and it has elastic waist. So yeah, so this is a collective haul, you know. So yeah, it has been like since we are in May now. So some of them is from April. So because I know what I want, what I bought, so I've been waiting for them to bring all my items at the same time, because they say some of them is going to waste time for me to get it. And because I feel like some of the items are not coming from the same warehouse, that is why they tend to ship my orders bit by bit. Because this yellow trouser, I bought it with the matching blazer, but they sent this one separate and sent the matching top separate. So let's see what is inside this one. So I picked this issue. I picked few shoes as well. So yeah. And I picked this one in size 7. I might put the picture of this shoe here. So it's a palm, yeah, and the heel is not bad. So yeah, because I love my heel. So yeah, so all right. So this shoe, I picked it with other items, but they decided to send this one separate. So let's see what. You know, right now I'm in love with anything white, anything like cream color. So yeah, so this is this one. I love how Zara packaged their items, the way they seal it. I love it. It's like when you buy designers items, this is how they seal it. Then you're going to unbox it. Yeah, I'm in love with it. So we are going to open this one. So this is our glass brazier suit. So look at that. Oh my god, I'm going to tiptoes, yeah. And it comes with a shoulder pad on the two sides. Look at I picked it in size large, yes. I picked it in size large, and this is the highest size they have in the stock. No, this is the highest size they have in this suit, this hourglass suit. So they don't have it in extra large, just large is the highest. So, oh my gosh, I love it. So it's not white, it's a cream color. Yeah, cream color. So this one is a reorder. Yeah, I picked it before in large, so I decided to pick it in extra large. Yeah. So these are shoes. Here I picked loads of shoes. So yeah, I'm gonna. So I'm going to. And with the shoes, because this is my first time ordering shoe from Zara, I tend to buy them in twos. So in case I don't want to miss any of the shoes, because I'm in love with these shoes, so that's why I picked it in size 7 and size 8 in case. Yeah, so this is this one. This is the style. Yeah, it's a palm and it has this design on top of it. I love it. And I picked another brown shoe from them. I don't know if the color, if you can see it here. And it has this, yeah, on the ankle strap that goes on the ankle. Very good. So, like other pairs are like, because I picked them in two, so other are the same pairs of it. So this one I've showed it on my last order. So, and these are few jeans I picked from them. Hopefully they are going to fit me, because these are straight leg jeans. I don't know, I'm finding it hard to pick my matching size when it comes to Zara jeans. So like some of them, when it comes to it, when I pick my normal size, it gives me flat. When I pick the one that is not my normal size, it still gives me like it's tight on me. It's not going to fit inside. So the other pair is the same trouser with this one. So yeah, I've showed it on my previous haul. So this is a repurchase. So if you're still here with me, don't forget to give this video a big like, comment which of this outfit is your favorite, and share. And come back for the try on haul to see how this clothes fits on me, okay? So this is the blazer of the yellow trouser. So we're gonna unbox it. And I picked it in size large, and it's a double-breasted buttons. Yeah, and this is how the back is, right? So my last bit. So I'm trying to be fast because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so I love this blazer. I've been wanting. Oh my gosh, we're gonna unbox this. Yeah. Oh god. If you love brown blazer, come over here. This is hourglass blazer. Yeah. Jesus, I love this blazer. Ooh. And I picked bag. So look at this bag. Yeah. Yeah. And this bag comes with another color. So, but I don't know. I'm in love with brown color right at the moment. So, and this one size fits all. So this is a size medium, and it comes with a strap as well. And it comes with this strap. So I'll see something that I'm going to attach on my Fendi graphic nano bag. So I'm going to attach this strap on it to wear it. So yeah, I love the bag. Yes. So, and it comes in a dust bag. What I love about Zara bags and Zara bags, they always give you a dust bag for it. So I picked this. Is this so small? Oh, I picked it in extra. I thought I picked it in extra large. Jesus. Or did I make a mistake? I picked it in extra large. They put large for me because I know large is not my size. Hopefully, let's see. Yeah. I'm going to test this just a quick check before I go for school runs. Yeah. Let me see. Because I wanted to buy the large. By the time I finished, the large was out of stock. So I ended up buying medium. Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. This is not my size. I always wanted this blazer. You know, like I want this blazer. By the time I finished checking out to buy the large size, it was out of stock. And the medium was out of stock. It's only left the small size. Then then next time I went, I've been keeping an eye on it to see when it will come back on stock. By the time it comes back on stock, it was the medium size. I decided to pick the medium. Maybe it will fit me more. Jesus. I've been looking for this blazer. Each time I would type Zara brand blazer, this blazer doesn't come up. When I ordered my yellow blazer, I look all the blazer Zara has in stock. I couldn't find this brown color. And I'll be checking because I want brown blazer, but I've checked Liver Island, they don't have brown. I checked Tesco, they don't have brown. Then I saw some of girls that has this brand blazer, and when on their tag it says Zara. So I've been looking for it on Zara. So I went to Liverpool. I asked one of the girls that works there if they have this blazer. They said no, it's out of stock. She didn't give me a right information. I ended up not buying it when I went to Liverpool. So then I keep checking. I said I don't know why. So the day I found this blazer, it just come up. I was searching for another thing. I decided to type in brown blazer as well. And it come up. I was like, oh. Then I said, okay, let me buy large and buy the bag and buy other things. By the time I finished doing everything to come back to check out, it was out of stock. I was like, why me? All this while, the blazer was there, it wasn't out of stock. Now that I click on it, and it was out of stock. Even though the blazer was £108 or £110, I can't remember, but I said that this blazer is going to be a staple in my wardrobe. Look at the fitting. Look at the fitting. See this shape. Sis, look at the back. See. It's something that you can wear all year round. Look, I'm not happy. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big like, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and comment which of these outfits is your favorite, and comment if you like buying on Zara. How do you find it? Do you find it difficult or is it easy for you? And come back to watch my try on video, because I'm going to do a try on all these items. So come back to see how the clothes fits on me, and don't forget to check out my other videos, because I have an interesting videos that you will like. I'll put it in the end screen here, and I'll add it on my info section. See you on my next video. It's your babe Asanwa. Bye guys, love you. So guys, what do you think about my hairstyle? This is my natural hair. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, and this is the back. So I decided to do a twist out on my natural hair. So I love this color because normally my hair, I always bleach the down here, like my uh, um the perimeter of my hair from the temple around. So I normally color it, like bleach it. So my hair has overgrown and the color is on the tips. So I don't know. I don't know if I should like keep on doing the ends of my hair, or just to do it the way I used to bleach my hair. If you have not seen how my hair looks like if normal, like when I have all color in front, I'm going to find a picture for it and show you guys, and tell me if you like it this way, or if you like it when I have it all color from the roots to the end. Yeah, I'm loving this style though, but I love the two colors. I love it when it's like this, and I love it when it has a color from the root to the end. So tell me, do you prefer this one on the end? If I should have it just on my ends, or if I should have it from my root to not all my hair, just perimeter of my hair. So yeah, I'm loving I'm loving this hairstyle. Just a twist out on natural hair. So guys, so outfit of the day. So I said it to be simple and casual. So this my top is just a white t-shirt from Nike, and the trouser is from Nike. So it's a legging trouser. I'm going to put a picture of me dressing, like show you my outfit of the day, or do a single video for it. So